Wow. This is the first morning I've woken up in so long, and the water in the van was not frozen. You happy being warmer, Bubby? All right, so last night we stayed here in the Cracker Barrel parking lot. It was pretty chill, no issues. But we're gonna head out. I have a couple things I wanna do today. I have to go grocery shopping, and since I'm finally out of freezing cold temperatures, I'm gonna wash the car today. I have not washed this van in months because, as you guys know, I like to chase cold weather, and it's been way too cold for me to wash it the past couple of months. But I think it's gonna be like 48 degrees today, which I've been in like 20s and below for the past like couple months. But yeah, so I might be able to wash the car today. Right now I was gonna get right across the street. There is a Jamba Juice, so I'm gonna go get a smoothie, and then we're gonna head to the car wash. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys on a in-town errand day. So let's get started. Hey, I appreciate it, bro. Have a good one. I forgot to get a straw. Well, at least it's got a cool cup. Wow. I asked the guy what the healthiest drink was. He told me it was this one. It's really good. It had mango in it, which I'm allergic to, so I had to get it swapped out for pineapple. But wow. I look stupid drinking out of this, but it's really good. It's got ginger in it, and I love ginger. But yeah, I also got a Impossible sandwich, which I will try real quick.
Or the boogeyman. I saw a boogeyman.
Sorry. This thing is so small. What the heck? This was $4. Okay, this is why I cook my own food. Bit overcooked. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, enjoy my morning, and then I'm going to run over to I think we're gonna do the car wash first. It's getting nice and warm. I don't know how long I can stay in the heat. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I kind of want to already run back to the cold and snow, but we have stuff to do here. So I'm gonna go wash my car, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. Then I might get lunch and see what else is up with the day. But yeah, cheers. so much better. All right, now we're gonna head to Trader Joe's. So Trader Joe's here, which is awesome. You guys know I love TJ's, so we're gonna head to Trader Joe's, get some groceries, and then I'll tell you guys where we're actually heading to. Trader Joe's. I was planning to record a lot more of me shopping, but it was so busy in there. But I got some groceries. Y'all, it is freaking hot. I know I said earlier this morning, I said it was supposed to be like 49 degrees today, but that was where I was earlier. Where I am now, it is like 60 degrees. It is hot, which is really funny because just this morning I was watching Alyssa Vanilla's new video and she was upset that where she was cold and rainy. You know what I would give for cold and rainy right now? I'm not trying to be dramatic, but I do not like being hot. It was just like cool when I walked into Trader Joe's, and like it's gotten so much hotter since I've come out. Good Lord. But anyways, I got some groceries. I was gonna show you guys some more like walking around the store and stuff like that, but Trader Joe's is like one of my favorite grocery stores, but it's also the most anxiety-inducing store I've ever been to. It's always just packed with people crawling over each other. Then all the, like, it seems like every single employee that's ever worked there is always on the floor. And I know that they're like doing their job, but still, it's like such a small store and it's packed with people and like employees. And like today I was just not feeling it. But we made it out, got some food. We're about to head to our destination, which is, I think I'm gonna disclose that in the next episode. All right, guys, so I still have a couple more hours till I get to where I'm going, and it's definitely lunchtime, so I'm actually gonna stop at this place that I've never been to before, but I've kind of always wanted to go to, Jollibee. I'm actually next to one of the only Jollibees in Arizona, so I'm gonna stop in there and get some Jollibee. I mean, you guys definitely, if you've like seen or heard of them before, then you know they have apparently really good chicken that you're supposed to dip in the gravy. They have spaghetti with hot dogs, which sounds gross to me because I'm not a huge spaghetti fan to begin with. And then they have their mango peach pie, which sounds really good, but I'm allergic to mango, so I can't have that. So, but yeah, I'm actually at the drive-thru now, so yeah, let's order some Jollibee real quick.
Your total.
Thank you.
Thank you. Did you want the receipt for your meal?
No thanks. And you said that the coconut and the pineapple one is a seasonal thing?
Yes.
Okay.
You said no receipt, right?
No receipt. Okay. That was very fast. But I got some Jollibee for the first time, and we're gonna try this. So that's the gravy cup right there. I just want to mention again how absolutely upset I am that I'm allergic to mango, and how even more upset I am that it's an allergy that I developed at the age of like 27. Man, because that freaking mango peach pie sounds so good, but I can't have it. You know what? One of these days I'm gonna come through here with an EpiPen and I'm just gonna try it out and see what's good. All right, this is the box it comes in. It looks really nice. Let's give it, open it up. Oh my God. What the heck? Wow, that spaghetti is the first thing that I smell. I don't smell the chicken at all, I just smell spaghetti. So I'm gonna try the spaghetti first. This feels like a YouTube mukbang. But this is the spaghetti. It's got cheese in it. It said it has meat, like ground meat. It didn't say what kind, but it said ground meat, ham, and hot dogs, which I didn't know. I thought it just had hot dogs, but it's got like 3 types of meat. I feel like this is honestly I'm either gonna hate this or it's gonna be way better than like normal spaghetti is to me, because I'm not a fan of spaghetti. I think it's because I just grew up eating spaghetti a lot. I'm just not a fan. So either I'm gonna hate this or I'm gonna absolutely love it. So this is the spaghetti with hot dogs. Let's give it a try. What does this taste like? Okay. This tastes just like Chef Boyardee pasta. Like the spaghetti sauce kind of tastes like barbecue sauce. It tastes like if you got the Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs and then poured manwich sauce on it and then added like a little bit of cheese. It's exactly what that tastes like. I've heard so many people like say this is like some of the best spaghetti ever, which is supposed to be like really good chicken. Yo, honestly, I gotta stop going to places that are like hyped up, because I feel like this is a hyped up. This is okay. Let's try it with the gravy. I honestly thought it was gonna have like a special flavor to it. It's like pretty like under seasoned fast food chicken.